Museums have this really amazing role to play in communities where great academic information and the general public can intermingle. We've created an opening to share information that can empower people to go home and do something. I was doing research hoping to find some new elements for an expanded pollinator exhibit, and I came across this incredible mural by Jane Kim and Inkwell.
We have a large-scale national project that's called the Migrating Mural, and it highlights the monarch butterfly migration through installations that are painted along the migration route. This project came about with Leah Wilson, the director of Kidzeum, reaching out to us to bring the monarch migrating mural to her museum. And so we are flanking 2 walls as you enter into the museum with a giant garden environment that represents the prairie state of Illinois.
From there, we started planning, looking for grant opportunities. I connected with Scott Dahl from our visitor center, and he said he was working on a mural trail for Route 66. And I thought, oh, well, we have a mural project for you to include.
My family's foundation, the M.G. Nelson Family Foundation, has supported Kidzeum pretty much from the start. This mural really was of interest to our foundation, especially my mother, Donna Nelson, because she has been really interested for years and years in the migration of the monarch, so that was kind of a perfect fit.
The design is done by yours truly, but also in collaboration with our partners. So Leah connected me to the right people, such as 3B Natives, who are the growers of native plants for this region.
We sat down with her and talked a lot in detail about native plants, their importance. We were allowed to have some input, some feedback, and the star was born.
We came out here in December and experienced Springfield in the middle of the winter. And so that actually really set the tone for wanting to create a vibrant and alive space all year round. The scale is really important. So when you walk in, you're feeling insect-sized. The colors are heightened and powerful.
It's just really a jewel of the street. This is Adams Street. We collectively refer to ourselves as the Adams family. We all feel some collective ownership in it, that it's part of the district and part of the family.
Springfield has gone through ebb and flow of its downtown. We're not seeing as much traffic as we would like. The mural can breathe some fresh life into our neighborhood and downtown.
We're expecting 1 million international travelers in 2026. And so to have this public art, it's going to be a new Route 66 attraction.
As a science illustrator, I really put a lot of stock in telling accurate stories about the natural world.
There's just a wealth of information in these murals, not just the monarchs, but all of the other great pollinators we have.
It's so timely because less than 0.5% of all original prairies still exist. And the only way they exist is in old railroad right-of-ways and in old graveyards.
We've lost so much habitat for native pollinators. We were hoping that by getting young people in, that we could help inspire them to just even pick a corner of their yard and put in some milkweed, and you never know what will show up.